January 3rd, 1987. We just had a nice big storm.
January 5.
A bike?
Yeah, we're gonna ride around.
Ashley, like the snow? In the house? You like the snow, guys? Come over here.
Yeah.
Come over in the front yard so you're not near the truck.
No. Of course he likes the snow.
Over in the front right there, Josh. Joshua, go in the snow. Over here. I don't want you near there because Daddy's got the truck.
Mom. I see a picture of the plant.
Don't pull all the snow into the sidewalk. Daddy will have a fit. Ashley, what are you doing? Ashley, what are you doing? Go over with Ashley, honey. Go help Ashley get in the snow.
I made a slide. I want to go over there. Where's Daddy?
Goodbye, Whit.
Mom! A snowball! Mom, look, a snowball I made when it slided down. I put the snowball in the phone. Make it easier.
Is it good, Ash?
Let's do that again. Make
What's it taste like?
No. Let me make a snowball. Make a snowball. A big snowball.
Hi guys.
Let me try to make a snowball.
I have them.
You guys having fun? Yeah, you're messing up my walkway that I just shoveled.
Oh.
Oh. Did Jamie already tell you what snowstorm this is?
What?
I already did.
You did?
January 3rd, 87.
January 3rd, 1987. The first snowstorm of the year, 1987, the worst one since 1978.
Ashley doesn't think it's so bad. Joshua.
I wonder if Clyde will come back.
I want to make a snowman. Snowman.
Hey guys, you want to get down and play?
Making a snowman. Need that one.
Hey,
Snow.
eating some snow? You made a pig?
Ah! It won't get.
Go ahead. How about over here on the side? Right here. What happened?
We make a snowman.
Go ahead and try.
Let me help you. I can't make one. But I can make a house and a driveway.
What?
I need that roof for the snowman.
You do?
Yeah. Yeah,
Can you climb that mountain?
right. Oh, where's stairs? Stairs.
Say hi to Dana.
Hi, Dana.
Gary, get a close-up of the head. Donald Duck.
Donald Duck?
Guess I can do on short notice.
What's the matter, Josh? You're swimming?
On that mountain.
You're going on the mountain?
Let me get down now. Go up, let's get down. Get down. Swim.
Uh-oh.
He lost his head.
Get back over here.
Like it, doesn't it?
Yeah, now
There's a snowman in there.
Hi, Bob.